Hello, everybody, and happy September 8th. It's Thursday, and it's the NFL kickoff. But we're not talking about NFL, but stay tuned. This whole video. Now, if you are a student and you had a $10,000 student loan and you paid it back, whoa, my goodness, I'm not going to get it back. Simple answer, you can get it back. Well, what if you're old like me and you had a loan out in the 80s and 90s? Can you get that back? No, unfortunately. So you can turn the video off. No, stay tuned. But stay tuned because there's a lot of misunderstanding. And by the way, before going any farther with this video, I'm not talking about whether I'm for the student loan forgiveness or against it. I'm just here to report the facts on the student loan. Now, stay tuned. Here we go. And the qualifications, and there's also a surprise on here. Can you get it if you didn't go to college? Well, these are answers I'm going to answer right now in this video. All right, once again, I'm Sal Capano. It's my pleasure. And if you can just do me one small favor, like, and think about subscribing as I'm on here every day, helping everybody out, getting the most out of the federal government and where we stand as a nation, and also some fun videos in Las Vegas and campsites. So if that's something that you might like, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right, here we go. I'm happy, football. Get to the video already, Sal. Okay, I'm just happy. Look, it doesn't help me out, and it probably doesn't help most of my family. There is one person in my family who might get something out of this, and that's my stepdaughter. So hopefully she watches this video. Okay, if you made payments, pay attention. If you paid the $10,000 back, pay attention because you're going to get it back. If you made payments and paid off your federal student loan during the federal freeze, okay? So remember when they had the federal freeze? So if you paid it back, okay, or your reduced payment balance to less than forgiveness amount, you can get a full refund of your $10,000. That makes sense? So again, basically what it's saying is you were making those payments on the freeze. And by the way, if you do have a student loan, all interest is frozen until December 31st of this year. So if you did make payments and paid off your federal student loan, you will get back your $10,000. Now, of course, that $10,000 will be paid to you. So wouldn't that be nice? Very important video to share. I am so happy. Again, I'm just reporting it, okay? What is going to be done. Now, March 13th of 2020, payment pause until December 31st. I just went over that. You can get your $10,000 back. Now, the income limits, it's a little confusing. I'm going to come right out and say it. So it's just black and white. If you made $125,000 as a single student, or $250,000 married, head of the household, during the 2020 tax income, you are qualified to get it. You're qualified to get a refund. Now, if you made 1 penny more, it states you will not get it. So if you made $125,000 and 1 penny, you will not be qualified. So now let's say you did make 100 more than the qualification just said, $125,000. Can you still get it? Well, yes. Wow, you just contradict yourself. You can file an amendment. You can go to your tax if you know it was an error and maybe you made less money. You can file an amendment from your tax. I make it clear I am not a tax CPA, but you can. Just giving you what I know. All right, now let's jump on to another important thing here. All right, do not have to pay taxes on this. I don't understand. I'm watching some other channels. I'm going to make it perfectly clear. You do not have to pay tax. It was part of the American Rescue Plan. So any of the $10,000, you do not have to claim it on your taxes at the end of the year. Simple as that. So again, in this video, I'm not discussing whether I'm for it or against it. I'm just giving out the information. I am happy for a lot of people I know are on here who have student loans. So let's be very kind to people and leave it at that. Now, very important. What are the student loan qualifications? Now, here are the qualifications. So if you're a blackjack dealer or a craps dealer or a roulette dealer or any kind of dealer in Atlantic City or Las Vegas, I covered this before, can you get reimbursed? Stay tuned. Here's what it says. Qualifications are federal loans that were funded $10,000 on June 30th by 2022. Public or private. Again, public or private. As far as dealing schools, I don't have all the answers, and I don't think they do. But I am out there. So if you did go to school, become in a gambling town like Las Vegas, where I live, or Atlantic City, or anywhere else, it doesn't say yes, you can, but it doesn't say no. I'm digging deep. I'm talking to representatives. I'm trying to find out some information. I have a stepdaughter who has a loan out for some games that she has dealt. So stay tuned. Okay. Again, federal loans that were funded, $10,000. And then, like I said, you can get back if you pay back your loan, but if you paid it back like in the 80s or 90s, like maybe some of us have, unfortunately, I can't go grab that back. But the dates that I just gave you. So I hopefully that helped everybody out in this video. Please share the video as it helps our channel and YouTube algorithm. Lately, my video hasn't been going out as much in other YouTube videos, so make sure that bell notification is there to notify you. Now, on another subject, I just wanted to say, don't forget to like and comment and a chance to win 75. 3 lucky winners I will be giving out when we hit 1,500 subscribers. We're at about 1,303 to be exact. If this is a channel you like, I'm going to get the most information for you guys, whether it's student loan, or stimulus, state stimulus surpluses, also good relaxing videos in my camping and some Las Vegas adventures coming up, some buffets. I'm going to get into. If this is stuff that you might like, then go ahead and hop on board. It's free to subscribe. And please, if this information doesn't help you out, let's be kind to each other on here, because there's a lot of people who do have student loan and they can use that money. So let's be very nice. And if you don't, well, help me and help us out and share this video. I just want to say thank you. If you like football, the kickoff is tonight. Okay. It's the Buffalo Bills against the Super Bowl champs. LA Rams, they call them. So stay tuned. Now, listen, everybody, it's my pleasure to give out these videos. Thank you so much. Remember, say hello to somebody. Tomorrow's another day, and there's always a solution on this channel. Ciao.